So it rained last night and it's cloudy, and way off that way it looks like it's raining still. It might rain more today. Anyway, today we're supposed to maybe go underneath the house and add some extra support. We're planning on ripping this floor joist out here and possibly the next one, because you can't see it, but it is tipped because it's so rotten in there and whatnot, and the floor is divided from the wall. And also this was built balloon style, and that's back in the old days. They don't do that anymore. Total rot. That's varmints up in your walls and that kind of stuff. So anyway, only Roy kind of had this funny suspicion. He didn't say I was cheating, but he's tired of this coin flip. And so I brought something over to ask a question, and I guess it'll be what we'll call more legal. So anyway, let me show what I got here and let's ask a few questions. So, Magic Stick, do I have to crawl underneath the house today? Stay away from that one.
Go to yes. Go to yes.
Go to no. There we go. It's oh no. It's come on, baby.
Yes. Yes.
Please. Oh,
Quit mucking about and get it over with. Stick.
Oh, come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, no. Eat. Oh. Oh no. Oh
Yes.
Oh no. Okay. The next question. Does only Roy have to go underneath the house today? I hope it sounds like the boss is coming. Hurry up, Magic Stick. Come on, does Roy have to go underneath the house today? Only Roy is just dying to go underneath there, so come on, Stick.
Is that thing level?
I don't think it matters. It knows what it wants to do. Come on, baby, yes! There we go. So, do we have any other questions we want to ask Roy? Do you dare?
No, I don't.
Okay. That was fun. Anyway, now we're going to go ahead and cut this T111 up above so we can start tearing it apart and see just what we really have to do. So as we're taking the boards off, we're trying to take the nails out as we go. It takes a little bit longer. Don't know if it's worth it. We're not trying to save the boards. We're gonna take them to the burn pile and burn them when the rains come and we don't have a fire restriction going on. Well, look what we found. There was a window here at one time. They got rid of the window and covered it with a closet all the way across the room. wondering, you can see this whole thing's on the foundation. The wall hadn't fallen off. But see all that sawdust and the termites? If you look right down here, see how this bulges out and goes back in? And there's what's been fixed before. This is collapsing. That's because it's all dry rot and termite. And you see where they used to have a window in here at one time. It looks like they tried to reframe it in and decided just to get rid of it because there's so much rot. And they didn't want to deal with it. So we're fixing it right this time so we don't have to deal with it.
She wanted a bigger closet.
Oh, she wanted a bigger closet. Can you?
The closet goes clean back over here, all the way across.
A full closet. You get nagged enough, I'm sure. You'll do whatever you can to make the wife happy. Okay, you're wondering just how bad this is. Right there's the, we'll call it the finished floor. They put a piece of chipboard in there. Step on that, Roy, let's see what it looks like. Look at that thing moving. Like I say, this here, I don't know if you saw that, every time he steps on it, it swells out. That's because that whole thing's rotted out.
You gotta take a picture of this.
Let's see, it's falling through the floor already. Oh, it did fall through the floor. But we're gonna get her done, right, Roy? I've been using the lawnmower and the trailer on the lawnmower in order to save me steps for dumping it over to the big trailer to get ready to go to the dump. The closet wall is still inside, so we don't have too much of a worry, but we are being careful and paying attention. The load bearing is supposed to be over towards the Connex side. And by the way, even though you see those clouds, it's very humid out. And I think it got about 85 degrees today. And it's just taking a toll on me, but Roy and we're gonna get her done anyway, slow but sure. Here you see Roy's just pulling that floor joist out. He's just now showing you what rot, termites, and whatnot have been in there. Obviously there's no more termites because there's nothing for them to eat on anymore. We're getting close to being done for the day, and we decided to go ahead and knock out some brick to get ready for the vents to put in, and also so it's going to make it a lot easier to crawl underneath the house.